brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Thank you, sir.